Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on how to earn money from affiliate marketing without investment. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways for beginners to make money online because you don't need to create your own products or services. You simply promote other people's products as an affiliate and then earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your special link. So I'll be breaking down in this tutorial the simple steps that literally anyone can follow even if you're a complete beginner with no experience. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to get your affiliate marketing business up and running within a few days. The first critical step is choosing a profitable niche that you're genuinely interested in. This is so important for success with affiliate marketing because it enables you to create content that doesn't feel like work. Some examples of popular niches at the moment that work very well for affiliate marketing include health and fitness, personal finance and investing, making money online, dating and relationships, beauty, makeup and skincare. So make sure to do thorough research to find unsaturated niches that have hungry buyers, and then analyze whether there are decent affiliate products and programs available to promote within your niche. You can use Google Trends and Keyword Planner to identify rising search volumes and buyer intent for certain topics. Check out Facebook groups, subreddits and forums in your niche to better understand your target audience and the problems that they may face. But most importantly, choose a niche that you're truly passionate about. This passion will make creating content 100% easier. If you just pick a niche for the money, you'll eventually burn out and stop making content for it. Once you've selected your affiliate marketing niche, the next step is finding relevant affiliate programs and products to promote. Affiliate programs are offered by merchants, brands and networks. They allow you to earn commissions, usually between 5 to 75%, on each one of the sales that you drive by promoting their products as an affiliate. Some top affiliate networks to find great programs include Impact, which has a huge selection of software and online service affiliate programs. There's also the popular Amazon Associates, and of course Share a Sale with a wide range of physical digital products from big brands. The best way is to browse through each one of the affiliate networks marketplace one by one to find products that align closely with your niche and content. So look for affiliate programs related to your topics and audience interests. You can also directly approach brands that you love and ask if they have an affiliate program that you can join, or just simply searching for a brand that you're interested in and then type affiliate program onto Google. Again, big names like Amazon, Walmart, eBay or Etsy all have their own affiliate programs as well. However, as a rule of thumb, when evaluating a program, look for decent commission rates and a wide range of products so that you can promote. Make sure that the merchant has a strong track record of paying their affiliates accurately and on time. So I would recommend reading affiliate reviews online to avoid shady or scammy programs. Once you find some great options, simply sign up to become an approved affiliate. This usually requires entering your name, email and the payment details, and then you will gain access to your own unique affiliate links and tracking dashboard so that you can start promoting. After you've done that, it's now time to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links using free organic promotion methods. One of the most popular ways is blog posts, as you can write in-depth long-form blog posts with a minimum of 1500 words related to your niche, and naturally incorporate text links, banners and image links to your affiliate offers within the content where relevant. Always optimize your posts for SEO with meta titles, headings, alt text, etc. so that you can boost search rankings. As for YouTube videos, you can always create YouTube tutorials, reviews, unboxings and top product roundups showcasing the affiliate products that you want to promote. Always mention the affiliate program that you have and add your affiliate link in the video description and pinned comment. YouTube Shorts are also an amazing way to drive traffic to affiliate offers. I always recommend social media, as sharing your affiliate links, exclusive discounts, coupon codes and deals on platforms such as Facebook or Instagram can boost your conversion rates greatly. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags and captions so that you can reach the target audience, and post short reviews and recommendations as stories and reels. The key is providing value at every stage. Don't spam or aggressively pitch to people. Be subtle and natural with the affiliate links. So think of it as providing recommendations or complementary products to your own content and not making sales. And the last thing is tracking conversions and scale. Once your affiliate links are out there, it's crucial to track your conversions to see what's working and what's not. No matter what affiliate program you join, almost each and every single one of them provides detailed analytics on your traffic, clicks, sales and commissions through your affiliate dashboard. So analyze these metrics closely each week to determine which affiliate programs are working and which ones are generating the most conversions and revenue for you. And then you can double down on your efforts on what's working or not by creating more content targeting those specific products and programs. So the more the targeted traffic you drive to your affiliate links through a diverse mix of channels, the more sales you will make, obviously. It might take a lot of effort upfront, but with consistency, persistence, and gradual scaling using the tips I mentioned in this video, your monthly affiliate earnings will continue to compound over time. And there you have it, that's really all you need to know to get started with affiliate marketing. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.